guys, welcome back to Class of Planning. You're with Rahul Sharma, your friend and guide. Today we're going to discuss one of the best poetry of Kamala Das, that is My Grandmother House. Yes, I repeat, My Grandmother House. When you find love at a place without any formalities, without any work, सीरियस ये जगह कौन सी होगी यार? ये आपको सच्चा प्यार करते हैं बिना किसी मतलब के, वो कौन होते हैं? वो तुम्हारे दादा दादी होते हैं. अब दादा दादी बोलो या नाना नानी बोलो, डेफिनेटली यहाँ प्यार मिलता है. लेकिन क्या आपको मिला? जो पोएट है, हमारी कन्फेशनल पोएट है कमला दास, ये बहुत ही ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल पोएट लिखती है. ये अपने आप पे जो गुजरी है उसको डिफाइन करती है. यस, शी टॉक्स अबाउट अ ग्रैंड मदर हाउस वेयर शी यूज्ड टू गो व्हेन शी वाज अ लिटिल चाइल्ड. बट आज नहीं जाती. क्यों? आज दादी नहीं है. लेकिन आज सब बदल गया. सो शी बीन लॉन्गिंग फॉर द लव समवेयर एल्स. लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्लास. माय ग्रैंडमदर हाउस. देयर वाज अ हाउस नाउ फार अवे वंस आई रिसीव्ड लव. एक घर था एक घर जहां मुझे प्यार मिलता था. दैट वुमन डाइड. पर वुमन मर गई यार. अब वुमन नहीं है. द हाउस विथड्रॉ इनटू साइलेंस. स्नेक्स मूव्ड. वो घर आज एक साइलेंस में कन्वर्ट हो चुका है. एंड नाउ द स्नेक्स मूव्ड. Among books, I was too young. Yes, I was very young at the time. To read the bloods turn like cool moon. How often I think of going. मैंने बहुत बार सोचा कि मैं वहाँ जाऊं. Or to go at that place. To look at the books and read all the text. पर नहीं, मैं नहीं जा सकती. There no peer through the blind eyes of windows, or just listen to the frozen air, or the wild despair. Pick an armful of darkness to bring it here to lie behind my bedroom door like a brooding dog. You cannot believe, darling. Darling? किसको बोल रही है? ये जो लिसनर उसका एक छोटी लड़की हुई, मे बी कोई नेबर की बेटी होगी, उसको बोल रही है. You cannot believe, darling, you. Yes, I lived in such a house, was proud and loved. एक ऐसे घर में रहती जहां मैं बहुत प्राउड फील करती थी. And I was loved. I who lost my way and begged now for the strangers do to receive love, at least a small change. Now I've been searching for love at every door, but nobody loves because everybody wants something on that love. उसको define करता है. Come to the explanation. The poem My Grandmother House, written by Kamla Das, the poet, has been written in a memory of her late grandmother, with whom she had spent her childhood. क्या तुमने childhood spent किया था? It was really a fantastic childhood. The poet considered those moments to be the best moments of her life and desired to beget them. And she really want to get them. She also mourns their loss, like a poem and introduction. जो अपनी poem introduction में किया उसने. This poem also falls in a category of the confessional poetry. ये भी confessional poetry. At the beginning of the poem, the poet says there is a home that is now very far from where she receives love. एक घर था एक घर जहां उसे बहुत प्यार मिलता था. She receives. It was a house for grandmother in which she spent the days of her childhood. उसकी दादी का घर था. However, that woman, her grandmother, is dead now. And the home withdraw in silence. और आज वो घर पूरी तरह silence हो चुका है. Without any life, because her grandmother was very soul of it. कि दादी अकेली रहती थी वहां. Grandmother also had books which she could not read. She was quite young and she was read stories for her. दादी के पास बुक्स भी थी. जब वो छोटी थी ना, तब दादी उससे बुक्स में कहानियां पढ़ के सुनाती थी, बट वो उनको नहीं पढ़ पाई. By now the snakes are moving in those books. आज snakes move करते हैं. क्यों? It must be green area. और वहां पे कोई नहीं जाता, खंडर हो चुका है, तो और क्या होगा? All these things made the house quite horrible in the poet, like the moon. Quite unhappy. She is now without any life and warmth. अब वो ना प्यार है ना वो warmth है. The poet expressed a desire to go to her grandmother's house because she is emotionally attached to it since her childhood. लेकिन वो जाना चाहती है वापस क्योंकि she is emotionally attached to it. She wants to look through the blind eyes of the windows of the grandmother house. देखना चाहती है कि क्या हो रहा है उस घर में. What actually is going on? The term blind as a window means there is no one in the house to look for. कोई भी नहीं है घर को देखने वाला. She also desired to listen the frozen air of the house. उसको सुनना चाहती है. The frozen air refers to that the house is locked and fresh air has not moved in. Fresh air जा ही नहीं रही. घर तो बंद है, कब से बंद पड़ा है. Poet desires to move into the her thoughts, which are buried deep inside her heart and no air has into it. उसका दिल भी वैसा ही है. किसने झांका नहीं उसके दिल में कि उसको क्या चाहिए. Does the grandmother house here is rather sweet memory that she wants to recall. वो एक स्वीट मेमोरी बन के रहेगी जिसको फिर से याद करना चाहती है, फिर से जीना चाहती है. The poet further says that she wants to bring the darkness of grandmother house with her in a wild despair, in a troubled life. अब आया ना सच. Because she was living a troubled life. She's not happy with her life. Maybe it was a patriarchal society. Maybe she was not getting love from her husband. Maybe she was not getting any sort of love from the people she was living with. But yes, she's missing that love that she used to get when she was a child from her grandmother. देखो आपको दर्द का एहसास तभी होता है या कोई बहुत अच्छा तभी लगता है जब आप बुरों के साथ होते हो. तो आज उसको लग रहा है कि वो प्यार मिलना चाहिए था. The line makes clear that her grandmother was very protective, and now that she feels insecure, even the darkness of grandmother house, which is thought unpleasant, like cold moon, comforts her. वो darkness भी उसको comfort करती है. In the finalize the poet's conversation probably with her husband or her readers. The poet says that she won't believe that she had once the best memory of grandmother house, and she is quite proud of it. बहुत proud of चीज पे. Now that she has lost her grandmother, she begs for the stranger's door for love. और दूसरे बार जाते कि प्यार मिल जाए. कौन करेगा यार? Nobody loves you. Sorry. She knows well that you won't be able to get that much love, but she still hopes that at least a part of it. Hence, the poet ends with the hope and despair in poem My Mother at 66. The poet is struggling with a similar feeling. Yes, you guys, I must go through the poem My Mother at 66. वहां भी वो पेन डिफाइन करती. So I hope that you guys get this point. Yes, all your paper, all your doubts are in the notes. ये रहे वो notes मेरे पास हैं यहाँ. तो यहाँ से मैं आज क्लास में पढ़ाता हूँ सब आपको बता रहा हूँ कि आप ये चीजों को फॉलो कर सकते हो. यू कैन हैव द नोट्स टू क्रैक योर पेपर. फर्स्ट डू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया अभी तक, so that you can access all the videos. Bye guys.